PC connection OTG. R. PC connection USB. Please find previous videos. Tip: OTG connection is only for the tablet does not have a USB port in the case of use. If there is a USB port connection, please ignore this accessory. The standard USB port of the data cable plugs into the USB port of the OTG adapter. The micro USB port of the data cable connects to the micro USB charging port of the MP3 device. The OTG adapter's Type-C port plugs into the computer's Type-C port. After successful connection, eject. 12345. Please use DC5V500 毫安 charger. Charge transfer. Charge play. If not selected after 5 seconds, default. Charge transfer. After a successful connection, our disks will pop up on the PC. First disk, local. Second disk, TF card. If the device is not recognized after connection, you can try the following steps. E. Please repeat the attempt several times, pull out and plug the interface to reconnect. R. If the computer supports USB interface transfer, use the cable directly without OTG adapter. 3. Confirm that the computer's Type-C port supports OTG function. Check the computer's manual or the manufacturer's website. 4. Try to use a different USB port or Type-C port. 5. Try to connect directly using a Type-C to micro USB cable. 6. If you have any questions, you can find the corresponding order through My Orders. Click on Contact Seller or email contact. Supported formats: audio formats, MP3, WMA, OGG, APE, FLAC, WAV, AACLC format playback. Video formats: AVI need to be converted to and AVI format smaller than 320x240 pixels by conversion tools. Picture format: JPEG, BMP, GIF viewing. Recording format: WAV, MP3. If the computer supports USB interface transfer, use the cable directly without OTG adapter. How to download? Please watch the videos provided in the past.